Here are my thoughts and feelings about the discussion question number 1. What surprises me the most about career counseling? The misconceptions about it and how it can help narrow down choices to be more comfortable, to help make students and individuals feel more comfortable, and also help them select the college that is the best fit for them. When we're reviewing our discussion videos, a lot of us talked about how we needed someone to help us make decisions or help us down the right pathway. So I liked how career counseling is about that. Skills, behavior, and attitude. I read that in the text and I thought, wow, that's really important. Just because you have the skills and the behavior doesn't necessarily mean you're going to be successful if your attitude's not where it needs to be. So attitude plays a major role in that. The career theory that I liked the most was Super's lifespan, the life space theory. In the text, there was so much more about it. There was more research, over 40 years of research and information about it. So I felt like I was drawn to that just because there's the ifs, ands, and buts are all in there. It recognizes that people are different and they vary with their values and their traits, their interests, and their personalities, and that people can be great at a lot of different careers, not just one. And every job takes a different kind of person to make it work and to be successful. I totally agree with that, and that's another reason why I think I like Super. Some strengths of the theory is that it's important to understand that success comes with the readiness of being able to cope. Career maturity was something that it talked about. Also incorporating self-concepts. The lifespan itself, the growth, the exploring, the establishment, and the disengagement, that all makes sense. That is our lifespan. That is the different stages that we go through with that. A quote that I really enjoyed from the text was, while we're busy earning a living, we're also busy living a life. I found that totally true too. Also, it's straightforward with the CDAC. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Assessments. I don't know a lot about that, but I'm sure that we're going to learn more about that as we continue on. Also, it talks about the life roles and how there's 9 of them and how that we can be multiple of those. We're not just one, we're multiple. Also, it touches on home, school, workplace, and community. That's where we interact. That's where we meet new people. That's where we explore all these new job opportunities. The limitations of the theory, built on assumptions, is what the PowerPoint said, like 14 assumptions. And assumptions, that just didn't seem like a strong word to me. So, also, it hasn't changed much in 40 years. That can be a good thing and a bad thing. That means that it has credibility, but also it might be stuck, stiff, straightforward. It doesn't have room for growth. It's just what it is. And so I just thought maybe that didn't leave enough room to explore more, but shoot, they've been exploring it for 40 years, so Super must know what it's talking about. Understanding the career theory and how it will help me with my future career. It will help me to help others reveal their life story, to help find reoccurring themes, also explain what's happening, and create a plan for the future. This made me think about my internship right now. I have an individual that I am helping, and I feel like I can incorporate this theory to help him realize the reoccurring themes that are happening in his life with his job struggles. So not only did I find benefit in this for this class, but also helping me in my internship. So that's great. There was a couple more things that I enjoyed in the text, And it said that the 21st century workers, they need to be constantly learning, developing curiosity, and a passion for life. I think that that's something that we all need to do. If we stop learning, I think we stop living. And I feel like I've been in school forever, but I really do enjoy learning. Also, you need to be able to work together. They pointed that out, that that's super important, as well as being able to balance analytical thinking and creativity. I think that sometimes that's hard to find a nice mixture of both, and if you have both, that's awesome. Sometimes I lack a little bit of both. So, also it said, don't let theories boggle your mind. Who knew that there were so many theories revolving around career counseling? I know in our theories class there's a lot to choose from, and CBT is actually the theory of my choice. I don't know, those that are in the guidance program, you probably know what I'm talking about. Some of you other guys are probably like, what is she talking about? But theories, they sound kind of scary sometimes. But I think as we explore those, we can better understand. So other references that I use to help understand Donald's super a little bit more was one that explored the lifespan itself. And then they created their own cognitive information processing, also known as CIP. Reading about super from other perspectives helped me realize that there are lots of views on it, lots of studies that have been done. And like I said, 40 years, lots and lots of people have studied super. Well, that is discussion question number 1. I hope to hear from you guys and get your feedback and hear what y'all think and what your favorite career theory is. Thanks.